Holy fucking shit, bro. There's a better view ahead. I finally got my room after waiting for some time. Two-bed dorm. I'll be staying in the lower berth because the upper berth was already taken. They have given me a locker for my personal stuff, and there's the washroom. Hopefully, the other person is not a menace. So, I'm heading to Raidurg metro station, which is about 2.6 kilometers from here. So we are here and we want to go here. There's a better view ahead. I've reached Amirpet now. So from here I'm going to Usmania Medical College and going to change lines. From here I'm going to take an auto to Shadab's, have my lunch, and from there I'm going to head to Charminar, and from Charminar I'm going to go probably to Chowmala Palace and then head back to Pachagoli via the same route. Yeah, there's a line just to get a place to sit.
ध्यान दीजिए, चारमीनार पुलिस की जानिब से जरूरी इत्तला। चारमीनार के खिलाफ सेलफोन, हैंडबैग्स, पिक पैकेट और चोरों को सुरक्षा रहिए और अपने सामान की हिफाजत कीजिए।
मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली.
I'm just gonna bounce now because the air here is terrible. I can't be amid such poor AQI air. Headed back to Raidurg now, and finally I got a non-tinted window which helps with the view.
Next station, road number 5.
This is what last stops look like. Okay, now let's go. Now I'm headed to Golconda Fort now. Now I'm gonna miss out on climbing Golconda Fort. That's something I really wanted to do, but it's late and it closes past 5. So I'm just going to go for the light show now. Holy fucking shit, bro. Just to read about this in its standard. Just going to get the light show ticket now. It's beautiful at night. It's quite unfortunate that I wasn't able to climb this today, but next time I'm definitely going to do that, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to come here again. So, day 2, or the day I'm going back, actually, I forgot to mention the other guy never came back, so I had the whole place for myself, and there was no worry about the washroom part as well. So, that was great. So I'm doing something really risky right now. Instead of going to the station directly, I'm going to make a quick stop at Lumbini Park because that was in my itinerary, and I can also see the Hussain Sagar Lake from Lumbini Park. So I should be able to pick off 2 items from my list, but it's going to be a time crunch. ये रास्ते में बिरला टेम्पल दिखता है क्या? ये ऊपर है, पहाड़ के ऊपर. Yeah, I'm gonna say I saw Birla Temple as well, so put a tick against that. So I reached Lumbini Park, but then realized that there was no way I was going to get a ticket in 15 minutes. So yeah, I almost gave up, but then I realized that there's a road which goes by this park, and if I can just walk by that road, then I can get a glimpse of Hussain Sagar Lake. And here it is. Now probably I'm gonna head back to the station, but before that I need to make a quick stop to have my lunch because the food in the train is going to be absolutely ass like it was on the way here. And yeah, IRCTC, do better. I invest in your stock. One of my friends suggested I check out Pista House, but probably she meant the one in near Charminar, which I saw yesterday. But there's a Pista House in Nampally as well, so I might have my lunch there, and then from there I can just walk to the station. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Here at Pista House, I'm going to grab a quick bite and head to the station. Just realized I went to the wrong Pista House. The one that I just showed you, that's the cafe. But there's a one which comes before it, and that's where you get food. This is the Pista House that I was supposed to go to, but instead I went to the bakery, which is like a few meters ahead. So now I'm back, going to have my dinner here, my lunch here, and head back to the station. What a trip, and what a way to close it. Mutton biryani at Pista House. थोड़ा नहीं तो चले जाता. After taking many risks throughout the trip, this has worked out perfectly fine for me as I arrived just in time for my train. Let's go! I am proud to declare that I have successfully completed every relevant part of Hyderabad. And now I'm heading to the train.